Hi everyone. Let us see today we are going to learn about the cube root of product of integers, and also we are going to learn the cube root of rational numbers also we are going to learn. In this example, find the cube root of the following. They were given as minus 216 times 1728. For this they are asking us to find out the cube root. That is, the question is like this: minus 216 times 1728. We have to find out the product of this one. Here one more law is there, that is cube root of a into b can also be written as cube root of a times cube root of b. Using this one, I am going to write this one as cube root of minus 216 times cube root of 1728. Here this minus I am bringing it out. Cube root of 216 times cube root of 1728. Cube root of 216, we will find it out prime factorization. 2108, again 2 table 5 4, again 2 table 2 2 7s are 14, 3 table 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So this is minus cube root of 1 2 3 2's, 1 2 3 and 3 3's, 3 3 3. Make it a group of 3 into cube root of 1728. 2 table, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 table, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s, 2 16. Again 2 table, 108. Again 2 table, 54. A 54, 54. Then here 3 table, 18. 3 table, 6. 2 table, 3. 3 ones. So here I am writing this one down. Cube root of 1 2 3 4 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here one more 2 is there, that also I am writing over here, into 3 times 3 times 3. This is equal to minus, here without cube root, for this group 1 2 will be, times for this group 1 3 will be, into, here you see for this one group is 1 2 times this one group 1 2, this will become one group there, then 3. So here minus 3 2s are 6 times 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So here the answer is minus 72. Clear? Let us go for the another example. This one we have to find out the cube root of minus 125 times minus 3375. Using this law, we can write this one as cube root of minus 125 times cube root of minus 3375. This is minus cube root of 125 times minus cube root of 3375. Cube root of 125. 125 ending with 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So here cube root of 5 times 5 times 5, make a group over there, into minus cube root of 3375. 5 table, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 5 table, 5 1s are 5, 1 7, 5 3s are 15, 2 5, 5 5s are 25. Again 5, 5 2s, 5 7s, 3 9s, 3 3s, 3 1s. That is 5 times 5 times 5 times 3 times 3 times 3. Make it a group over here. Now what will get minus, without cube root 1 5 will be, times minus for this group 1 5 times this will become 3. So here minus 5 times minus 15. This is minus times minus is plus 75. Clear? Thank you.